Welcome to Skymap Viewer, a browser-based astronomical information system for putting LIGO Virgo sky maps into an astronomical context. There are thousands of simulated sky maps available. In particular, you can click here to select one, but I've already selected one. A sky map is a probability density for the location of the gravitational wave counterpart. There are 9 contour lines. The outer one has 90% of the probability, 80%, 70%, to the innermost one which has 10% of the probability. There is also a projection of the sky map with the south pole at the left and the north pole at the right, projected into declination or latitude. And so you can see this sky map is mostly in the northern hemisphere. There is a choice of background for the display. We can, for example, look at the Fermi sky, and this is the gamma ray sky, where the Milky Way galaxy is even more obvious than it is in the optical. We could also, for example, choose the Galax ultraviolet sky, and we can zoom right in on this, and the content is fetched dynamically as we zoom in. Here are some galaxies down here. Let me move to an optical survey, the digital sky survey. Now you can see these very obvious galaxies down here. Skymap Viewer has catalogs as well. These are galaxy clusters, but in particular I'll concentrate on the gravitational wave galaxy catalog that has all galaxies within about 100 megaparsecs. And these yellow spots have appeared here. If we click on the yellow spot, then we find out that this galaxy is NGC 6286, and it's about 80 megaparsecs away, and we have links here to Simbad and NED to get more information about those galaxies in particular. Let's zoom out again. And I think I'll switch off the catalog as it's slowing us down. And let's go back to the Ellinger sky. We can spin this around. There's the full moon, and there's the galactic center. But in particular, we can look at our local horizon. Let me put in my longitude, -118, and my latitude, 34. We're in Pasadena, California. Change the date to now, and now show the sky. And north is at the top, south is at the bottom, east at the left, and west at the right. And we are in late morning in Pasadena, so the sun has almost come to its zenith, and we have a brand new moon as well. Thus we can see the Milky Way and the sun and the moon, all these things that are very relevant to observational astronomy. Another feature of Skymap Viewer is the weighted galaxies. And if we look more closely down here, we see these little squares. The size of the square is the prior that the counterpart will be found in a particular galaxy. Let me switch on the gravitational wave galaxy catalog again, and each of these squares has a center which is one of these galaxies. The size of the square is proportional to the sky map probability multiplied by the luminosity of that galaxy. This one is NGC 6154 at a distance of 85 megaparsecs. This information is also available as a table, and here we see that NGC 6154 and all of the other galaxies whose prior is less than that. And each of these has a link to Sinbad. Thank you so much. We'll next have another video about the GraceDB, the LIGO Virgo candidate database, and how Skymap Viewer can be accessed from there. Thank you.